What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for upcoming days for this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I have to say that I make my videos on three ticker symbols. On natural gas futures, it is the ticker symbol NG1 exclamation mark, Natgas, natural gas spot prices, and ticker symbol BOIL. It is a leveraged ETF based on natural gas prices. And on my previous video, we are on natural gas futures. On my previous video that I made right here, I've told you that we have to see the retracement that should have a shape of a simple zigzag. And because of this, most likely we might see another small leg to the upside. That will be the top of our B wave. And another leg to the downside that probably might land again at this range of support that previously was the range of resistance. And it is basically the range, let me show you, it is the upper range of resistance of this triangle. And it is the symmetrical triangle with the crucial point of $3.063. And I have to say that we went higher, we formed the B wave, and probably we have to see another leg to the downside. And in ticker symbol BOIL, let me show you again on hourly time frame. I made my previous video at this point, and I've told you that technically, yes, we had the possibility to hit higher targets, to hit this range. And from this point, it was an upside potential of about 17% with a downside potential of about 5.5%. And I've told you that it is not the best risk to reward ratio. And you could put your stop loss right here with anticipation to hit higher targets. And as you can see, we didn't hit the stop loss order, but also we didn't hit the price target. But in general, from this point, we were at the highest point of about 8.2% of potential profit. And for now, we are almost at the same spot in less than 2% above our entry price. So definitely it is not the best choice to enter the position, and I've told you about this previously. And in general, I have to say that on ticker symbol BOIL, I caught a lot of its movements. We booked more than 60% of potential profit since the beginning of April, and we caught only two stop losses with a downside potential of 6 and 6.5%. And I have to say that this ticker symbol is quite technical, and that is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and for now, let's continue with the news. What might be the news for this ticker symbol, and what might be the driver of it for upcoming week? Let me show you that if you type in Google search bar natural gas prices and switch to news tab folder, the latest news that you might find is 2 to 3 days old. And they showed you the movement to the upside that was right before the weekend. And right now, even if you switch, let me show you, even if you switch in the tool section from recent to past 24 hours, you will not find any news that explains why this asset broke this range of support to the downside again. And I've told you multiple times that if you want to be a successful trader, it is much better to wait until the market reveals itself. Because if you try to force the trade, most likely you will book some losses. Because you have to know more about the price action and you have to see more confirmations from different tools regarding this asset. That is why, for now, I still stand on my position that we have to wait. We have to wait a little bit in order to see when the market reveals itself. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, again, let me show you some crucial points for natural gas futures. And definitely to prove for the movement to the upside, we have to see the bounce we have to see the completeness of this retracement, and definitely we might see the leg to the downside. If it is the case, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave. And as you can see, we have a perfect reaction for the first time out of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And then we might see another leg to the downside. And the ranges of support might be again from double bottom pattern from the same range of 0.382. And it is the price point of $2.629 through 0.5, the price point of roughly $2.5 to the golden pocket range. And this range might be the crucial point for this asset, because statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. For now, it is quite tricky to assume that we might see this quite low price action based on natural gas future prices. But if you switch to ticker symbol BOIL, definitely this ticker symbol is more on the bearish side, because we can clearly see the same structure, but it is below the range of support/resistance, and it has to break it to the upside again with the conviction of volume in order to prove that it is on the bull side. And so far, I have to say that the crucial point for this price action is this one. It is $58.10, and this one, $76.81. Because when this asset breaks some of these ranges, we might prove or disprove the theory, which will show us where we are now. And let me switch again to natural gas futures. And right here, as I already mentioned, the crucial point for this asset is $3.052, 0.64, somewhere here. And the next crucial point is the bottom of the third wave. It is at $2.2 mark, because if this asset breaks this movement, breaks this point, we will be below the initial movement with the retracement, and it violates the main one of the main rules of Elliott waves theory, because we cannot see the retracement lower than the bottom of the initial wave. And in this case, most likely we will be on the bearish side on this asset, and this means we might see the trend continuation to the downside. And in this case, let me zoom out again, let's say to 2 hours time frame. In this case, this formation of symmetrical triangle, and usually this formation is a trend continuation pattern, will confirm itself, and we might see the next leg to the downside that on a bigger scale, the biggest scale, I have to say, will complete the bottom of the fifth wave from this top to this bottom. And and from the technical standpoint, definitely we should see, let's put it this way, we have to see the top of our fourth wave right here if this formation will be confirmed. And in this case, we will complete the C wave on the greater scale. And let's switch again to 4 hours time frame and zoom out. This formation, this C wave, it is the ABC correction on the biggest scale from the top, from its all-time high at $10.055 that was set on August 24th, 2022. And in this case, we will have this leg to the downside, and we will confirm the completeness of entire structure, and somewhere lower we might see a very good probability of the next leg to the upside. So far we have to wait. We have to wait till the market reveals itself. And I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium.